1 minute na lang. Hi guys, ito gumawa kami ng 50 pieces dito sa may St. Peter Chapels dito sa may Commonwealth Avenue. Guys, 50 pieces yan guys, funeral balloons yan. Okay. Ayan, short reel lang naman to. Sige. $50 pieces yan guys, funeral balloons. Located dito sa may St. Peter Chapels. May Commonwealth po to, Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. Yan.